Uglies, we are going to Manila. Which is fake because our parents are crazy.
I know, right?
So we have for the second row me and Caleb. And at the back, introducing the Topak Baldies. Oh my gosh. And we have on the passenger seat Ugly Poop. No way, Ugly Poop. Are so ugly, super.
You look like
And our driver, our Uber pickup, it's a very ugly, a very beautiful view there in the window. In the window, yeah, out the window. You were saying it. Ooh, look, we went here dati. It's been like how many
1 year.
2. Or no, it's not 1 year.
Like
2? Like 2. Me.
This is my first time seeing a yellow bus.
Where? What? I did not see that. Wow. Look here. No, guys, no, this is just San Fernando.
Do it! Actually, Cornish yan, anak.
Turn right onto Santa Rosa to Gayday Road.
Gayday Road.
Continue on Santa Rosa to Gayday Road for 14 kilometers.
This is Tagaytay Road.
Yeah.
This is Tagaytay.
Malamig na sa labas, mag-jacket na tayo.
Wait, we cannot speak English or Tagalog.
Sorry, guys. We have to speak Tagaytay.
Oh, grabe ang kulay dito.
We bought collects already.
After 3 hours, guys. Wow!
First one to step out.
Wow, I love the ano. Guys, look at the lights. They're moving. Guys, come on. Guys, we're gonna hanap upuan. It's scary. I don't wanna lapit pero I'm gonna. Too foggy. Guys, how is it? Crazy.
Ano pag nag-break sila, tapos nakita nila.
So we're gonna eat na. Yay, we found the table so easily. Yay, okay. Wow.
Look at this.
It's so yummy. This
Kare-kare mixed with the rice.
And this is mine. Let's have a first bite.
So good and hot.
Yeah, it's so hot. Hi guys, good morning. This is day 2 and we are at Landers Cavite. It's so big.
Ano? Isa pa. Ano yung
So, Omar, say hi. You'll be kasali sa YouTube video. Another Ayala Mall. Okay guys, I'm embarrassing. But no one knows me anyway. Wow. Unboxing talaga. Photo. Papa, look, this is so cool.